Now it is based on seating arrangement. How many persons are there? 8 persons are seated around a square table. 8 persons, tell me who are those 8 persons? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W are the 8 persons seated around a square table. Now let us take this is a square table. Now 8 persons, and how these persons were seated? 4 persons at the centers and 4 persons at the corner. Now the directions of these persons will be given. The one who sit at the corners face outside, isn't it? While those sit in the middle of the sides face the center. Middle of the sides facing the center. Middle of the sides facing the center, and the persons who are facing at the centers are facing away from the center. Now this is what the crucial information that is given regarding the direction. The ones who sit at 4 corners face outside, 4 corners face outside, while the persons who are facing at the centers are facing towards the center. 8 persons. Then each one of them bought a different electronic gadget. 8 different electronic gadgets were given. Now coming to the first information here, T sits immediate left of the one who bought a PlayStation. Now what we need to check out here? First we need to check out whether any information given about any person regarding his position, that is the direction. Hence we cannot directly start with the first statement. Then coming to the second statement here, the one who bought a PlayStation sits at the center. This is what the crucial information we are looking for. The one who bought a PlayStation sits at where? Sits at one of the centers. One of the centers means you can take at any 4 of these centers. It is considered to be one possibility only. Now I am taking the one who bought a PlayStation as at this place. Then T sits to the immediate left of the one who bought a PlayStation. This person is facing towards the center. Left means clockwise. Hence T will be here. T sits to the immediate left of the one who bought a PlayStation. The one who bought a PlayStation sits at the center of the sides. Only 3 people between T and the one who bought a phone. Now 3 people in between is nothing but among these 8 persons, 3 persons in between means they are opposite to each other. Which 2 persons are opposite? T and the one who owns phone must be opposite to each other. T and the phone. Only 3 people sit between T and the one who bought a phone. W is an immediate neighbor of the one who bought a phone. W is the immediate neighbor of the one who bought a phone. Now here we will have 2 different possibilities. Whether W can be here or W can be here. There are 2 different possibilities. Hence we are drawing the second possibility here as well. Clear? Now the second possibility. Now in the second possibility, how many persons were there? Now these 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the persons who are sitting at the centers are facing towards the center. Now these are the persons who face the center, and the persons who are at the corners are facing away from the center, isn't it? Facing away from the center. Now the one PlayStation. Now this is the person who bought a PlayStation. T sits to the immediate left of this person, and the one who bought a phone is quite opposite to this T and W. Now W can be here. There are 2 possibilities, whether W is to the immediate right hand side of the person who bought a phone, or W is to the immediate left of the person who bought a phone. Neighbor means either left hand side or right hand side, hence we have 2 different possibilities. Next one, W is an immediate neighbor of the one who bought a phone. We have taken that information. And next one, the one who bought a tablet sits second to the right of W. Tablet sits second to the right of W as W is facing towards the center. Right hand side means anti-clockwise, and the one who bought tablet must be here. Now in this one, W is facing towards the center. The one who bought a tablet sits second to the right. The one who second to the right of W, second to the right of W, and the one who bought a tablet must be at this place. Clear now? Tablet at this place. And next one, V sits out to the right of the one who bought an iPad. V sits out to the right of the one who bought an iPad. The one who bought an iPad is neither an immediate neighbor of the one PlayStation or a phone. Now PlayStation or a phone, iPad cannot be here, isn't it? Cannot be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these 6 places are ruled out. Now we are left with only 2 places for this iPad. iPad మనకి ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. ఈ 6 ప్లేసెస్ మనకి పోయాయి. ఈ రెండిట్లో మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి. iPad కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే, then if you take iPad at this place, 1, 2, 3, thought to the right of iPad must be V. But as here W is there, which implies that iPad cannot be at this place. Then what is the only possibility we have? iPad must be here. Now we could able to finalize the positions of this, the person who bought iPad and V as well. Now this iPad is facing towards the center, 1, 2, 3. V sits out to the right of the one who bought an iPad. Then coming to this one. Now the one who bought an iPad, neither an immediate neighbor of PlayStation nor a phone. PlayStation, hence iPad cannot be here, iPad cannot be here, iPad cannot be here, cannot be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities for Rupa. Here also it cannot be because tablet is already there. And the one who bought an iPad must be here. And V sits out to the right of the one who bought an iPad, V must be here. Clear now? Now, in both the cases, we could able to finalize the positions of this iPad and V, isn't it? Then coming to the next information. What is the next information we have? So for next information, and neighbor of the one who bought an nor the phone. And only two people between the one who bought an iPad and TV. Between iPad and TV, how many people? There are exactly two people, either left hand side or right hand side. From here, if you take 1, 2, TV must be here, which is not possible. Hence, in this case, TV must be here. Clear now? Now there are two persons between iPad and the one who bought a TV. Again, between iPad and the one who bought a TV, there must be exactly two people. iPad ikkada got 1, 2, TV, not possible. Hence, 1, 2, TV must be here. Then the one who bought a laptop is an immediate neighbor of V. Immediate neighbor of V is here. Laptop is an immediate neighbor of V, hence this is the only possibility in the first case. And in this one, laptop is an immediate neighbor of V, hence laptop must be here. Now till now both the cases are invalid, both the cases are valid. The one who bought a laptop is an immediate neighbor of V, and you bought a camera. You bought a camera, you cannot be here because we need to have two places in the sense in the same place the person as well as the gadget must be vacant. Now here you camera, it is valid. Here you, though you is here, camera cannot be here. ఇక్కడ మనకి యూ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ యూ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. యూ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కెమెరా ఉండాలి. యూ కెనాట్ బి హియర్, కెనాట్ బి హియర్, కెనాట్ బి హియర్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ పాసిబిలిటీ? యూ మస్ట్ బి హియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఈస్ హియర్, దెన్ ద వన్ హూ own camera must be here. Who bought camera must be here. Now coming to this one, you cannot be at this place because iPad is already there. You cannot be here because tablet is there. You cannot be here because T is already there. You cannot be here because camera cannot be here. PlayStation is here. You cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. And the second case completely got invalid because there is no place for this U at all. And the second case got invalid. Now we were left with only the first case. The next one, R sits to the immediate left of S. R and S must be adjacent. R and S cannot be here. Isn't it? R and S cannot be here because two adjacent places must be there. This is the only place left over here. S did not buy a phone. As S did not buy a phone, S is here. If S is here, R will be here. And only one person between S and Q. Between S and Q, there must be exactly one person. As S is here, then Q must be here. Isn't it? Then tell me who is the person left over. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W are the persons we have. And now starting with what? Starting with P. Now this is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W. All the persons were done. iPad, camera, tablet, phone, laptop, TV, PlayStation. And what else is left over here? Music system is left over. Hence this T bought music system. Then coming to question numbers 1 to 6. All these 6 questions are based on this diagram itself, on this arrangement. Then coming to the first one, which of the following is true regarding T? Q sits second to the left of T. Q is seated second to the left of T is false because Q is to the immediate right. First one is false. Second, T bought a music system. T bought a music system, definitely true. That is choice 2. Hence question number 1, choice 2 is the answer. Then coming to question number 2, who among the following sits diagonally opposite the one who bought a camera? Diagonally opposite to the one who bought a camera, V the one who bought TV. V the one who bought TV, and it is given choice to question number 2. Then coming to question number 3, who among the following represent the immediate neighbors of the one who bought a TV? P and W. Now P and W, and it is given choice 5, question number 3. Then coming to question number 4, who among us the following sits exactly between S and W? Exactly between S and W are the one who own phone. Are the one who own phone, isn't it? Are that is given choice 1, question number 4. Then coming to 5, who among us the following bought the PlayStation? PlayStation, tell me who is that person? P bought the PlayStation here. P, that is given choice 5, question choice 3, question number 5. Then coming to question number 6, which of the following gadgets did Q buy? Now tell me, Q bought iPad, and it is given choice 1.